see what the aftermath is. Look at that big tree. Look at our neighbor's tree back there. Holy moly. Oh my god. Over there. Wow, there's a tree down there. It broke finally. It knocked that tree fell. And it knocked their fence down. Samuel. So yeah, if you want to come.
That's a lot of branches.
Yeah, look how big that branch is. Look, don't touch it though. I don't. It's probably rotting. We'll have to get our gloves. See where it fell?
Where did it fall? Oh, I see.
From out there. And then see, this is our other. And then here's our other. And then see, look at theirs out there. You can see from a little bit of theirs out there. And so, but yeah, it's not too bad. Where you said Tropical Michael, right?
Yeah.
And there's no digging, like what Michael, there was like, what is it, was,
The last tropical storm.
Yeah.
One of the sticks went into the ground.
Yeah, there's like, I think it was like around here or around here where the soft grass. But look, yeah, so I don't want to stand behind. But yeah, I thought for sure this one would fall. You see that branch up there?
Oh, yeah.
That's been there forever. But now it's sunny out here. But yeah, this fell I think about 6 o'clock. And so, and there. And then that one fell from, you see where that fell from?
Oh yeah, I see where it fell from.
Let's take a look over here. See, it fell from over there. And then, let's pick up the branch. Let's see if we can move the branch. Let's see if it's too heavy for you. Is it too heavy or hot? Or
Too rotten.
rotten? Is it? Oh yeah. Well, yeah, it's been sitting up there like for a long time. Yeah, if you pick up this is not, but this is, you see, it's from here. Like I looked out that window, I was like, oh my gosh. So we're in our kitchen. We have our windows wide open, and so, but it's been now since I think 6 o'clock. So yeah, no power. Hopefully his power gets back on. And so I don't match right now, but I have a black dress, blue, and oh well. Look at that. Oh my goodness. What do you think? What do you think? I'm gonna get Bagel out here. It's tight itching in there. There I am. Alright, Bagel. Come on out. Go ahead. No reaction from Bagel. Bagel's like, nope, I'm not feeling it. This is what we are eating when the power is out. We got the same meal, cheeseburger, 2 cheeseburgers,
Mm-hmm.
no pickle.
No pickle.
And Samuel had to double check. Okay, so, and just sodas. What time is it now?
1:39.
Okay, so power went out about 6. And we're still dealing with no power, but that's okay. We have our food. You have a little bit of power upstairs on the computer and or the laptop, and then I have my phone charger. I can go outside to my car, and if I need to charge my phone like that without a car charger.
Mm-hmm.
And then our neighbor is outside cutting his tree outside, and Fiona is just laying there waiting for crumbs. Yeah, Fiona. She's like, now she's itching, but. So this is our Tuesday, what we're doing. Oh, and then you won't be able to get on the computer if we still have no power later on to talk to Granddad.
Oh.
That's okay. That's alright. The power is back on. I noticed it there. I have a lot of trees. And I have a tree around the corner. But yeah, I noticed that. And the power, I closed all the windows. So I noticed that, and then I ran in here and I put it here, and I put the fan on. So, oh my gosh. And then Jason said that he's at work right now. He said that 22,000 are without power still. I just noticed when we went out to McDonald's, I noticed out that their truck was out there. So I knew that they were working on our area problem. And it was just our area, which was the weirdest part, and then towards Samuel's school. But yeah, so now we have power. I can charge my phone again. It was pretty dead. So all right, so this, I'm just gonna put this as I was gonna say beta, but no, Vlogust. What's the day? 4. So all right, well, it's still sunny, it's very hot. I'm gonna come in from chopping, and so I started putting, let me show you very quick. I started putting our branches out there. See our branches out there? So yeah, we have a lot more to go, but I'm gonna take a break for right now. So all right, take care, guys.